Good morning. I am on my way to my photo shoot with my beautiful manager, and you guys are going to yes, I told you guys that I have so many amazing surprises for you guys, and we are on our way to Philly. I have something on my, so yes, I'm gonna take you guys along with us for the photo shoot. Hair is gonna be done. I'm so excited. All right, you guys, so we just got to the makeup artist and she's gonna do my face. So excited for the photo shoot. Gonna look so pretty. So we just got to the makeup artist and
yes,
she has everything all out.
Yes, it's crazy. This is how I work under messing and pressure. This is how I work best.
Okay. We are in the makeup artist's section, her area. What's your name?
Corey. So my name is Corey MUA on Instagram. Look, I'm like, put it down below, but CORI MUA. So follow me.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, same thing, Corey MUA, and I do YouTube makeup tutorials and mukbangs and all types of stuff. Okay. So yeah, come check me out, subscribe. You know what
I'm saying? Subscribe.
Subscribe. We're gonna get her right together today, okay? It's gonna be a full transformation. Okay. Should I turn up the music? No. I'm willing to change for you.
It's true. Yo, this beat on the camera looks fire.
I told you that camera's bomb. You like Megan?
Yeah, I like her. I seen her at Powerhouse. She was good. She was one of my favorites. I ain't gonna say I love her, but I like her. And now I'm gonna add a little lighter. Money on this side.
What you looking at? What? What?
Why are putting makeup on?
She's doing a photo shoot today.
Why?
Makeup is done. Oh my gosh, she did such a good job. You guys, normally I don't like anybody do my makeup, but my beautiful manager always knows the best of everything. So what do you guys think? It looks so good, right?
Look fire, baby.
Oh my gosh, y'all. Whew. She did that. That looks pretty. So we're on our way to the photo shoot location. It is such a rainy day, but I don't mind rainy days. But honey, we about to slay, okay, even more. So we just got to the studio. I just met the photographer. This is Ricky.
Hi.
Where can they find you?
Ricky Codio on everything actually. RICKYCODIO.
So I want to show you guys around. It is beautiful here. This is the studio. Look how nice that is. This is me. This is some of his amazing work. Wow. Look how pretty that is, you guys. Amazing. freaking amazing. So nice. So yeah, we just got here. I have to, makeup is already done. I just have to do my hair real quick. photo shoots are amazing and fun, but they are a lot of work, okay? I'm back here sweating. I feel like I'm working out. Oh my God. But it's fun.